Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. Last year was very good. I lived in London last year. She worked every day last year. We traveled to Spain last year. Did you study English last year? He started a new job. They moved to another city. Last year I was happy. My sister got married last year. We bought a new car. I visited my parents last year. She learned to drive last year. Did he play football last year? We watched many movies last year. Last year was quite cold. I read 10 books last year. They opened a new restaurant. She finished her university studies. We celebrated my birthday last year. He didn't work in December. Last year I joined a gym. Did you go on holiday? My children grew very tall. I cooked dinner every night. She met her best friend. We saved money for a house. Last year passed very quickly. I walked to work daily. They had a baby boy. He painted his apartment last year. Did your family visit you? I didn't eat meat last year. We planted flowers in spring. She changed her phone number. Last year I was very busy. My boss retired in June. We cleaned the house weekly. I tried many new foods. They didn't have much time. She wrote a book last year. Did you enjoy last year? I listened to music daily. We visited 3 different countries. He fixed his old bicycle. Last year I felt very strong. My friends helped me move. She practiced yoga every morning. We danced at many parties. I remembered all the good times. They didn't travel much last year. Last year I wanted to learn Spanish. She called her mother every Sunday. We ate at restaurants twice a month. Did he finish his project last year? I wore my new coat all winter. They built a small garden outside. My daughter started school in September. We didn't spend much money shopping. Last year I tried to exercise more. She sold her old car in March. I answered many emails every day. We talked about our plans often. He didn't like his job very much. They invited us to their house. Last year I wanted a better life. She borrowed books from the library. We waited for summer all year. Did you receive my letter last year? I carried my bag to work daily. They arrived in this country last year. My neighbors moved away in August. We didn't understand the news sometimes. She organized many events at work. Last year I hoped for good things. I walked in the park every weekend. They prepared for their final exams. He didn't smoke cigarettes anymore. We believed in our dreams last year. She taught English to young children. Did you notice any big changes? I discovered a new coffee shop nearby. We continued working on our goals. Last year my health improved a lot. They rented a bigger apartment in May. She didn't worry about small problems. I followed a healthy diet most days. We created many happy memories together. He decided to stop drinking alcohol. Did your team win any games? I noticed the seasons changing slowly. They attended classes at the community center. Last year we didn't have any problems. She developed new skills at her job. I promised myself to be more positive. We enjoyed spending time with our family. He didn't remember to call me back. They supported me during difficult times. Last year I learned many important lessons. She didn't allow anyone to be negative. I woke up early every single morning. We compared prices before buying anything expensive. Did you achieve all your goals last year? Last year I started saving money every month. She explained the rules to all new members. They didn't complain about the long working hours. I belong to a book club near home. We return to our favorite beach in summer. He didn't expect to get such good news. Last year my English improved very much indeed. She recommended that restaurant to all her friends. I completed an online course about business basics. They didn't realize how fast time was passing. We discussed our future plans almost every evening. Did you manage to visit all the museums? Last year I reduced the amount of sugar. She accepted a new position at another company. I didn't recognize him when we met again. They expressed their opinions clearly at every meeting. We experienced some challenges, but we stayed strong. Last year he learned how to cook properly. She didn't appreciate all the help I offered. I replaced my old laptop with a newer one. Did they deliver your furniture on time last year? We considered moving to a different neighborhood nearby. Last year I attempted to wake up earlier daily. He didn't avoid difficult conversations with his boss. They encouraged me to apply for that new job. I established a good morning routine every single day. She didn't hesitate to ask questions in class. We collected donations for the children's charity event. Last year, I attended my first professional conference. Did you maintain your exercise routine throughout winter? He admitted that he made several mistakes that year. They didn't appreciate the beauty of simple things. I examined all my options before making any decisions. She participated in many volunteer activities on weekends. We didn't require much help from other people. Last year they constructed a new building downtown. I reflected on all the changes in my life. Did you celebrate all the important holidays last year? She contributed money to several different good causes. We didn't waste time on things that didn't matter. Last year, I investigated different career opportunities carefully. He cooperated with his colleagues on every big project. They didn't interrupt me when I was speaking. I practiced speaking English with native speakers online. She realized that happiness comes from simple things. We didn't abandon our plans even when things were hard. Last year, I formed many new friendships at work. Did you encounter any serious problems with your health? He mentioned that he wanted to change his career. They didn't assume anything without checking the facts first. I committed to reading at least one book monthly. She calculated all her monthly expenses very carefully indeed. We didn't interrupt our studies even during the holidays. Last year I purchased my very first smartphone. Did they advertise the job position on the website? He demonstrated how to use the new computer software. They didn't appreciate all the opportunities they had. I concentrated on improving my writing skills every day. She performed very well in all her university exams. We didn't anticipate such wonderful results from our work. Last year I recognized the importance of good health. Did you register for the advanced English course online? He illustrated his ideas using simple drawings and examples. They didn't tolerate any rude behavior in the office. I identified my strengths and weaknesses more clearly. She recommended several excellent books about personal development. We didn't postpone any important decisions until this year. Last year, I surrounded myself with positive people only. Did you accompany your parents on their holiday trip? He acknowledged all the help he received from everyone. They didn't distinguish between work time and personal time. I resolved to become a better person every day. She emphasized the importance of learning new skills constantly. We didn't neglect our responsibilities to our family members. Last year, I transformed my whole life completely and successfully. Did you communicate with your old friends regularly? He invested some of his salary in the stock market. They didn't exaggerate when they told us about the experience. I witnessed many beautiful moments with my loved ones. She nurtured her talents and developed them properly. We didn't hesitate to help our neighbors when needed. Last year, I appreciated all the small blessings every day. Did you volunteer at any community organizations or events? He reflected deeply on his priorities and values. They didn't interfere with other people's personal business. I gained confidence in my abilities and my decisions. She recovered completely from her illness by December. We didn't sacrifice our health for work or money. Last year, I embraced all the changes in my life. Did you accomplish everything you wanted to do? He overcame his fear of speaking in public. They didn't regret any of the choices they made. I strengthened my relationships with my family and friends. She balanced her work life and personal life well. We didn't forget the people who helped us succeed. Last year, I discovered who I really wanted to be. Did you find happiness in the little things? Last year taught me many valuable life lessons. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.